Hate the sin, love the sinner, baby. Roccat is sponsoring this video to feature their Sin Pro Air wireless gaming headset. It's supposed to be super lightweight and super immersive, so let's check it out. This is very phallic. It's the mic boom. Cool, looks like it plugs in, looks like it rotates. Branding on the side, there it is. The dongle, also branded. That means it's not Bluetooth, it uses 2.4 gigahertz stellar Wi-Fi technology for a consistent connection that is constantly monitored. This is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Take that, Apple. The cable for charging, if and when you have to charge. They are advertising a 24-hour battery life, which if you game for 3 hours a day is like a week of use, which is pretty nice. And if you do have to charge, 15 minutes of charging will get you 5 hours of playtime. And you get to charge with this big long cable. They are quite lightweight, which is what they are saying they are. That's cool. 300 grams. That's pretty light. They have like a kind of athletic look almost, because they have this meshy kind of wicking material that is consistent on the headphones and on the headband. And I can see that these are the lie flat kind of rotating ear cups that can just contour to your body, which is nice instead of them always being like this, which can feel a little claustrophobic, you know? A little smothering. So it's nice to put those down. Volume control, it is ratcheted. It's going boop, 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 boop as I spin it. Doesn't click because it's not a mouse. Power on and off. An LED indicator light, your charging port. Oh, another knob, variable mic monitoring. Okay, the microphone picture was only on the sticker itself. It's a cap, that's why I had a picture of a mic on it. It's where you plug the mic in. Okay, cool, so it looks like it's flexible. Hold on. Oh, I found out what this button is. It literally is monitoring. It's feeding my audio back into my own ears now. Nice. And then I can turn that down to now it's nothing. Now I just feel isolated like I'm wearing headphones. I can just, that's so good. I can practice my singing. Yeah, so this will mute if you flip it up. It actually gives you an auditory feedback when you flip it up. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Happy and sad noises. Boom. And then it's smooth, boom, and boom. And it actually mutes at this level. You don't have to go all the way up. Oh, monitoring yourself is really great. You can hear the plosives, like all the annoying things that other people do. You'll know when you're doing them. Gotta mention the RGB. You can configure this in software. We're gonna do that in a minute, but out of the box, you can see that it is glowing through the plastic and it is cycling colors in a breathing kind of manner. So on top of the rotation, you also get a little bit of kind of tilt on the ear pads. That really goes a long way into making these fit on every head. The caliper pressure this way, I would say, is not very tight. I have a kind of medium to small head. I don't have a melon, but I think that this would probably work for melons because it's not as clamping as a lot of headphones are out of the box. You can adjust this much. There you go. That's how big your head could be. Cool, and this is the headband padding. And here's the ear cup padding. And the ear cups have pro spec cushion technology so that you can wear them with your glasses comfortably. Sometimes you can see or feel that in an ear cup. Like you'll feel like there's a little divot there where your arm or your glasses goes. I don't really detect that, there's nothing visual, but that's what they say. I have other headphones where I put them on top like that, but it makes the angle of glasses like just stupid. But this, you could do whatever you want. So these guys are equipped with 50mm drivers inside the ear cups, and they are advertising immersive 3D sound. So it's beyond 7.1 audio by offering dimensions in the height and below you kind of planes, so that you should be able to hear people all around you. If you're playing Fortnite and you're building giant structures and all the little puny competitors are down below you, that should be nicely represented in these headphones. And they also have this thing called superhuman hearing, which is them boosting sounds that they think would give you a competitive advantage. So let's say a footstep has a particular frequency range that's common to most games. They will boost that so that it's easier to hear things that are relevant to you, like footsteps. So you can get all the kills! Okay, battery status, 100%. Nice, superhuman hearing was deactivated by default. I'm gonna activate it. Oh, you can adjust how aggressive it is too. Let's put it right in the middle. 3D audio deactivated, let's activate it. Game spatializer. I like how everything's off by default, this is cool. Channel mix, balanced. What? Oh, this is the difference between game and chat volume. And that's in the middle right now by default, cool. You got a master volume and your mic volume are independent. And on the illumination tab, you can mess with the color value as well as the saturation of it. And it connects to AMO, the RGB ecosystem, if you have anything there. There's also the option to turn the color wave effect on and off. Very cool. And then finally there's the EQ tab, equalizer on. There's like a dozen different frequencies you can hit here. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh, there's some Charlies over here. Oh man, all the footsteps I can hear. Oh, how much damage did I get you for though, with those crisp sounding shots? Oh, he just deagled me. All right, I've heard enough.
And hopefully you have too. These are Roccat SIN wireless headphones, about 150 bucks. Check them out at the link below.